What do you know about Canada? Canada's history begins with Indigenous peoples who have lived on the land for thousands of years. In the 15th century, European explorers, including John Cabot, began to arrive, marking the start of colonization. The French established Quebec in 1608, leading to a rich cultural exchange with Indigenous communities. In 1763, Canada became a British territory after the 7 Years' War, changing its political landscape. The Confederation of 1867 united Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia into one dominion. Canada expanded westward, incorporating new provinces and territories, driven by the promise of land and resources. The 20th century saw Canada emerge as a significant player in global affairs, participating in both world wars. Today, Canada is known for its multicultural society, vast natural landscapes, and commitment to peace and diplomacy. Canada is the second largest country in the world, covering approximately 9.98 million square kilometers. The country is known for its diverse landscapes, including mountains, forests, and lakes. Canada has three main geographical regions: the Atlantic provinces, the Central provinces, and the Western provinces. The Northern territories are characterized by tundra, ice, and permafrost, creating a unique ecosystem. Canada is home to the Great Lakes, which are the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world. The St. Lawrence River is a vital waterway that connects the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean. Canada's climate varies significantly from coast to coast, ranging from temperate in the south to Arctic in the north. The country is rich in natural resources, including forests, minerals, and oil, contributing to its economy. Canada's universal healthcare system is a model that many countries aspire to replicate. This system ensures that all citizens have access to medical services without financial burden. In contrast, many nations struggle with healthcare accessibility and affordability. Another area where Canada excels is its commitment to environmental conservation. Canada has implemented progressive policies to protect its natural resources and wildlife. Other countries are increasingly recognizing the importance of sustainability, but often lag behind Canada. Canada's focus on renewable energy sources is also a significant advantage on the global stage. As the world grapples with climate change, Canada's leadership in sustainability sets a benchmark for others. Don't forget to check the weather before your trip, as Canada has diverse climates. Don't underestimate the importance of proper identification. Always carry your passport. Don't assume everyone speaks English. Be prepared for French in Quebec. Don't ignore local customs and etiquette. Canadians value politeness and respect. Don't forget to tip service workers. It's customary to leave a gratuity in Canada. Don't rely solely on credit cards. Carry some cash for small purchases. Don't overlook the importance of travel insurance. It can save you from unexpected costs. Don't forget to respect nature and wildlife. Follow guidelines to protect Canada's environment. Did you know that Canada is the second largest country in the world by total area? Canada has more lakes than any other country, with over 2 million lakes covering 9% of its total area. The official languages of Canada are English and French, reflecting its rich cultural heritage. Canada is home to the longest coastline in the world, stretching over 202,080 kilometers. The national animal of Canada is the beaver, symbolizing hard work and determination. Canada is known for its multiculturalism, with over 200 ethnic origins reported by its citizens. The Canadian Rockies are one of the most stunning mountain ranges in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year. In conclusion, Canada is a land of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and fascinating facts. Until next time, remember, learn something every day.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.